And now, your KY3 Storm Team forecast.
All right, happy Monday. It is 12/18. Coming up on 4th of July, and it's hot, as it should be. But, yeah.
I think that's really the theme for the week. It's the first full week of July, and it's certainly feeling like it outside. Right now, we have a few passing clouds, mostly sunny sky, and those steamy conditions that the Ozarks are known
out there, Liz.
Yeah, plenty humid outside. So I think the boats who are out on the Table Rock Lake today, taking advantage of the sunshine, probably going in for a swim to cool off. I think you all have about the right idea. Right now we're sitting at 86 degrees, which is right in the realm of our normal high temperatures for this time of the year. One thing I want to focus in on is that our dew points, they're in the 70s, and that dew point temperature, so that measure of how much moisture is in the air, the higher it gets, the more uncomfortable it starts to feel outside. The next couple of days, we'll be keeping those dew point temperatures in the low to mid 70s, so that's when we go from feeling a little bit sticky to just downright uncomfortable. Heat index, so what it actually feels like outside, despite those actual temperatures being in the mid 80s, we're feeling a little more like the low to mid 90s across the board. As far as what our weather headlines are, the next couple of days, we really are just talking about a typical summertime pattern. That means along with the heat and the humidity, both today and tomorrow, we are watching for a slight chance for a few isolated thunderstorms, but not a widespread washout for us. And the closer we get to your 4th of July, well, you can bet those temperatures are just going to be climbing. If you're thinking about heading out to the lake or maybe the pool to cool off, make sure you're drinking plenty of water, still find the shade when you can, and take those breaks if you'll be working outdoors, because our high temperatures today, they're climbing up to right around 90 degrees. And I think we're going to continue to feel a little more like the mid 90s. We talked about that chance for rain, and I really think we're talking about maybe a 10 to 20% chance of those showers today, tomorrow, and all the way up to your 4th of July. That means, again, typical summertime pattern, a few passing clouds throughout the afternoon. About 4 o'clock is where we hit the hottest temperatures of the day. We'll stir up a little more instability, tap into that moisture, and, well, maybe a few of us, especially across northern Arkansas, could see very isolated showers pop up. Same story for tomorrow, especially northern Arkansas. I think by about this time tomorrow, be watching the clouds closely. Really the next few days, the big thing that we want to let you know is that it's important to just have a way to get alerts for changing weather, because we're keeping around about a 10 to 20% chance for a few pop-up showers all the way through the day on Thursday. Now Friday, so as we wrap up the week and head into the weekend, that'll be where we look at a better chance for more widespread rain. And the reason we're letting you know those alerts of even a 10% chance of those pop-up showers is because we know we're coming up on the holidays. So if you will be out on the water or even heading out to the pool, just make sure you have your cell phone on, have your alerts for the KY3 Storm Team app. We'll let you know if lightning's being detected where you are, so you can get off the water and get indoors. As far as your fireworks forecast goes, if you do have outdoor plans for the 4th of July, we'll be warm throughout the day, looking at a high in the low 90s. And in time for those fireworks to go off, probably still in the mid 80s with some high humidity. Again, don't let that chance for a few pop-up showers and storms scare you for today and really through the next few days. Just make sure that you have a way to get those alerts. Maybe just have the KY3 Storm Team app on.
All right, good call. Thank you, Liz. Check this out.